Choosing the right putter is one of the most important decisions in your golf bag. Unlike drivers or irons, your putter is used on every single hole, and even small improvements in alignment, feel, or forgiveness can completely transform your scorecard. In 2025, manufacturers are pushing accuracy further than ever with advanced face milling, perimeter weighting, AI-designed grooves, and high-MOI head shapes that minimize twisting on off-center hits. Whether you're a beginner struggling with consistency, an enthusiast chasing fewer three-putts, or a competitive golfer demanding tour-level feedback, this list is built for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best golf putters for accuracy in 2025, focusing on real-world performance, value for money, and confidence on the greens. Number 5. Wilson Staff Infinite Buckingham Putter. The Wilson Staff Infinite Buckingham is a mallet-style putter designed for golfers who want maximum stability, clean alignment, and reliable accuracy at an affordable price point. Performance. On the green, Buckingham delivers a surprisingly stable stroke, especially on longer putts. The high-MOI design helps keep the face square through impact, reducing distance control errors. It's particularly forgiving on heel and toe strikes, making it a strong option for improving consistency. Technology and features. Wilson's double-milled face pattern creates a soft yet responsive feel, improving roll consistency across various green speeds. The contrasting alignment lines make setup intuitive, while perimeter weighting increases forgiveness. The Infinite grip is oversized, helping quiet the hands during the stroke, a big plus for accuracy-focused players. Design and build. The matte black anti-glare finish looks premium and reduces distraction at address. The mallet shape inspires confidence, and the overall build quality easily punches above its price class, especially for casual and mid-handicap golfers. Weight and portability. With balanced head weight and a standard length shaft, it feels stable without being cumbersome, easy to handle and well-balanced for long practice sessions. Durability and warranty. Built with durable steel construction and backed by Wilson's solid reputation for long-lasting equipment in the affordable golf putter category. Pros. Excellent forgiveness for off-center hits, clean, confidence-inspiring alignment, great value for beginners and improving players. Cons. Limited customization options. Mallet shape may not suit traditional blade lovers. Best for/ideal use. Ideal for beginners and mid-handicap golfers looking for an affordable golf putter that prioritizes stability and accuracy. Price and value. Typically priced in the budget-friendly range, the Buckingham offers outstanding accuracy per dollar. It's one of the best values in the Best Golf Putters 2025 lineup for consistency-focused players. Final verdict. A forgiving, stable, and confidence-boosting putter that proves you don't need to spend big to improve your putting accuracy. Number 4. TaylorMade Spider GTX Putter. The TaylorMade Spider GTX blends legendary Spider stability with modern alignment upgrades for golfers demanding precision under pressure. Performance. The Spider GTX shines on mid to long putts, where its high-MOI design keeps the face incredibly stable. Distance control feels predictable, and mishits lose far less speed than traditional blade putters, helping you leave more putts tap-in close. Technology and features. TaylorMade's Pure Roll insert combines softer polymer with aluminum grooves to promote forward roll. The True Path alignment system visually frames the ball toward the target, while perimeter weighting dramatically boosts forgiveness, a key reason Spider putters remain top-rated golf putters worldwide. Design and build. The GTX features a sleek, modern mallet design with premium finishes and crisp alignment visuals. It looks confidence-inspiring at address and feels solid through impact. Weight and portability. Well-balanced with a slightly heavier head, ideal for golfers who prefer a smooth pendulum-style stroke. Durability/awards. Spider putters are frequently seen on tours and known for excellent durability under competitive play conditions. Pros. Exceptional stability and forgiveness. Industry-leading alignment system. Tour-proven performance pedigree. Cons. Higher price than entry-level options. A larger head may feel bulky to some players. Best for/ideal use. Perfect for competitive amateurs and serious golfers seeking high-performance golf putters with maximum forgiveness. Price and value. While priced in the mid to premium range, the performance gains easily justify the cost for players focused on accuracy and consistency. Final verdict: a near-perfect blend of technology, forgiveness, and accuracy. Number 3. Scotty Cameron Special Select Newport 2. The Scotty Cameron Newport 2 is a timeless blade putter that delivers pure feel, unmatched craftsmanship, and surgical accuracy. Performance. This putter rewards a consistent stroke with incredible feedback. Center strikes feel buttery smooth, and distance control is exceptional once dialed in. While less forgiving than mallets, skilled players will appreciate its precision and responsiveness. Technology and features. Precision milled from solid stainless steel, the Newport 2 features refined face milling for consistent speed and roll. Subtle perimeter weighting improves balance without compromising the classic blade feel professionals love. Design and build. Elegant, minimal, and beautifully finished, this putter is as much a piece of art as it is a scoring tool. The craftsmanship is unmistakably premium. Weight and portability. Compact and lightweight compared to mallets, making it ideal for golfers who prefer maximum feedback and control. Durability/awards. A staple on professional tours for decades, with legendary durability and resale value. Pros: exceptional feel and feedback, premium materials and craftsmanship, excellent distance control. Cons: less forgiving on mishits, not ideal for inconsistent strokes. Best for/ideal use. Best suited for low handicap golfers and purists who value feel over forgiveness. Price and value. Expensive but worth every penny for players who can fully utilize its precision. A benchmark among top-rated golf putters. Final verdict: a masterpiece of feel and precision for golfers who trust their stroke. Number 2. Odyssey A1 Rossie Putter. The Odyssey A1 Rossie uses artificial intelligence to optimize face design for consistent ball speed across the entire hitting surface. Performance. Accuracy is where the A1 truly excels. Even off-center hits roll out with nearly identical speed, dramatically improving distance control and reducing three-putts. Technology and features. AI-designed face inserts balance energy transfer across the face, while multi-material construction boosts MOI. Odyssey's Stroke Lab shaft further enhances tempo and consistency. Design and build. Modern, slightly compact mallet styling with premium finishes and clear alignment aids that inspire confidence at address. Weight and portability. Balanced weighting supports smooth strokes without feeling overly heavy. Pros: AI-optimized face for consistent speed, excellent alignment, smooth, stable feel. Cons: slightly muted feedback. Modern looks may not appeal to traditionalists. Best for/ideal use. Ideal for golfers who want maximum forgiveness and cutting-edge technology. Price and value. Excellent value considering the tech involved, one of the smartest buys in golf putters 2025. Final verdict: a near-perfect blend of technology, forgiveness, and accuracy. Number 1. Ping PLD Anser 2 2025 Edition. The Ping PLD Anser 2 delivers tour-level accuracy, unmatched balance, and premium feel without the extreme price tag. Performance. Extremely consistent from all distances, the PLD Anser 2 offers exceptional face control and distance precision. It performs flawlessly under pressure, making putts feel repeatable and confident. Technology and features. Precision milled face, optimized CG placement, and refined weighting deliver outstanding stability. Ping's engineering focuses on real-world performance, not gimmicks. Design and build. Classic blade design with modern refinements, clean lines, premium milling, and tour-quality craftsmanship throughout. Pros: incredible accuracy, excellent balance, outstanding value for performance. Cons: limited forgiveness compared to large mallets, traditional look only. Best for/ideal use. Perfect for serious golfers wanting professional level accuracy without overpaying. Final verdict. The perfect balance of feel, precision, and value. Our clear winner. Mini Buyer's Guide. Choosing the right putter depends on your stroke and priorities. If you struggle with consistency and mishits, mallet-style designs like the Odyssey A1 or TaylorMade Spider GTX offer maximum forgiveness. Prefer traditional feel and feedback? Blade putters like the Ping PLD Anser 2 or Scotty Newport 2 deliver precision and control. On a budget, the Wilson Infinite Buckingham proves affordable golf putters can still be accurate. Ultimately, the best golf putter 2025 is the one that inspires confidence when you stand over the ball.